Since our last visit, this 1999 Mediterranean home has been completely gutted. Now it's coming back to life. Let's check it out. Currently, the phase of this project that we're in is now putting in all of the hard surfaces. So last video, we were demoed and everything was dusty, dirty. There was no paint on the walls, no baseboard trim or tile installed. Since then, everything has been installed from the hard surfaces. All of the main flooring, the bathroom tile, and now we're getting our kitchen cabinets and bathroom cabinets delivered. And our installer is starting to set all of the cabinet bases so that we're ready for countertop template. As soon as that's done, then our cabinet installers will come back and finish up all the trim details and upper cabinets after the countertops are installed. Having a place to showcase their wine collection was really important when we were mapping out the layout of the home and figuring out how they were going to use each space. We had a few ideas in the beginning of putting a wine wall in the dining room, maybe in the formal living room, but ultimately we decided to use the space underneath the stairs to showcase their wine collection and actually have a room with a door that they can go in and a beautiful glass panel so that they can always see their wine. I'm most excited for the furniture that's going in this living room. We did a beautiful sofa and also 2 chairs in this very beautiful peacock blue color. So I'm really excited to see how all of the textures and colors really come together. Thank you for joining us on our progress walkthrough. Join us for the next milestone, delivery day. See you then.